morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Friday morning and we are going to be pulling shipping today. I just needed to film this intro while I had a quiet moment letting my dogs outside. But anyway, we are going to get started. We actually had, it's been 2 days since I've shipped, and I think I have 15 items to ship on eBay and 2 items to ship on Poshmark. So let's go see what sold. All right, so eBay sales are first. The first thing to sell are these Luckies by Muckluck. They're brand spanking new. They're a size 8. These sold for $15 plus $10 shipping, so the buyer's around $25 all in, and eBay's actually really picked up in the last 2 days. That's the last time I filmed a pulling shipping video. But I have 17 items, I think, to pull for eBay, and then I think 3 for Poshmark. So Poshmark's been a little bit slow, as always for me, but eBay is really picking back up. And that's probably due to me listing consistently throughout this whole time. Is just listing consistently, even if you feel discouraged, just keep on listing. These are a pair of Bella Doll little chambray cropped wide leg pants. Bella Doll, it retails for a bunch. It's one of those brands that doesn't resell very well. So these sold for $16 plus shipping. So the buyer's like $22 all in, I think. And took a little while to sell, but that is okay. We are getting things out of our eBay store that need to go. The next thing to sell is this Marc by Marc Jacobs little diaper bag. I sold this for $35 plus I think $10 shipping. I did use this for myself as a little diaper bag, and now that we are done with it, I only spent $5 on this at a Just Between Friends little kids consignment sale. So I am profiting after I used it, and that is the best thing when you can profit off of something that you used for your own family. So we love that. Okay, these size 11 men's Birkenstocks sold for $38 plus I think $10 shipping. I did pay $15 for these. They're not in the best shape, and I just don't like cleaning shoes. So that's fine. They sold very quickly. I just hauled these in one of the latest garage sale hauls, and glad to get them out the door. This is a Versed, which the logo is really kind of confusing to me, but anyway, it's VRST Versed. Anyway, it's like a men's minimalist style long sleeve shirt. I got this at the bins. It has been sitting for a little bit with no interest. Someone offered me $8 plus shipping, and I decided to jump on it. So sometimes with these bins items, I just take lower offers to stir up some more sales. These are some Hollister distressed mom jeans. I got these for free and thought they would do much better, so I didn't take them to Plato's Closet, but in hindsight, I should have, because they sold for $4.50, and these have had literally no interest in a year, and I don't know what it is, if it's my photos, if it's whatever. I know at this point I didn't have the best photo setup, but honestly, I thought I'd have, these are a newer tag Hollister jean, so I really don't source Hollister at all. And happy to get these out of my eBay store for $4.50 plus shipping. This is a 525 America, which I think is a higher end brand. I did get this in a ThredUp bulk mystery box, and I looked up the resale. The resale's not great. This sold for $20 plus shipping, and it did sell for full price, so the buyer's around $25 all in, and I paid around $1 or less. Next thing to sell is this Toshiba DVD and VCR combo. I am probably less than $5 into this, and it sold for $46 and some change plus shipping. So yeah, around probably $60 all in on that. So I am super happy with that sale. I'm just don't want to ship it, but that's fine. That is part of selling hard goods that I have realized is, yeah, it's awesome. You get these great prices, but you have to ship it at the end of the day. So there's that. These are a pair of just Nike athletic shorts that I think I got given, and they did not have any interest as well. So when the $5 offer plus shipping came in, I went ahead and took it. The next thing to sell are these ZR Zero Restriction. They're rain/snow pants. They're not thick enough to be snow pants, but they're not super thin either, like rain pants, but they are Gore-Tex. So I knew that they were something probably good. And I got these last summer at a garage sale for probably $2, and they've been sitting in my death pile for forever. So I just listed these a few weeks ago, and they sold for $30 plus shipping. So that is super awesome. These are a little girl's pair of Cowgirl Tough jeans. I think they're a size 12 or 14. They sold for $12 plus shipping pretty darn fast. Like I listed these maybe 2 weeks ago. So happy with that sale. I actually got these for free, so that is awesome. But the buyer is around $20 all in on these. So love that for a free item. The next thing to sell is this Madewell blazer. I think it's the Caldwell. It is new with tags. I think it might have had a flaw. I can't remember. But I did get this in my very first ThredUp bulk box, and so I'm like less than $1 in on this. It sold for $40 plus shipping, so the buyer is like $50 in on that. The next thing to sell were these Old Navy, just plain black legging, like jogger leggings in a size medium. So these normally sell for more. These only sold for $10 plus shipping, but they sold super fast. And I'm always up for picking these up at the bins because, especially in the plus sizes, because the jogger legging style things tend to sell. And I don't know, I don't get the appeal because I don't like this style, but yep, they sell. This is just a black Soma bralette. It actually was new with tags, but retails for 40 bucks. Soma is one of those brands where it retails for a bunch, but resale is not super great unless you get like a really large size or something like that. So this sold, I think, for $7.50 plus shipping, but out of my store, out of my site. One thing to note with brands like that is if you're wanting to shop for yourself, you can get some really nice items for not a lot of money because they don't have that resale value. So just keep that in mind. The next thing to sell was this Athleta little long sleeve workout top. It sold for $17 plus shipping. And I did get this in my latest ThredUp 200-pound box, so I am less than $1 into that. Okay, Rock Revivals make me sad. This is my consignment client's item. And you'd think that with these really beautiful pockets, they are a size 25. That might be the issue, but they're just a nice boot cut jean. These did not have any interest. And so when the $23 offer plus shipping came in, I decided to go ahead and take it. And it just pains me to sell a $175 pair of jeans for $23 plus shipping, but that is where we are with the resale market on these. This is a navy blue size 2XL kimono, and the brand's Forgotten Grace, which I don't know where they sell it. It might just be a boutique brand. I did go ahead and take a $9 offer on this. I wish I would have, I don't know. I don't want to wait things out because, like, you never know when the next offer is coming in. So I did get this for free. So that $9 is pure profit. Here are a little pair of toddler bogs. I did get these fairly recently, probably in like March. I did like a thrift world haul and I found them for $5. They sold for $22 plus shipping. And that's pretty good because these are out of season right now. So happy with that. And the standout sale for the past 2 days are these beautiful John Fluvog shoes. Look for that logo, John Fluvog. Like, look at these shoes. They're very like witchy. I love it. But these are, I think, a women's size 10. These sold for $150 plus shipping. So yes, very happy. I think the buyer's around $165 on these. So very, very happy with that sale. And that is kind of like boosting my week quite a bit with these slow sales. The next thing to sell, so Poshmark. Actually had 5 Poshmark sales today. Awesome. But the first thing to sell is this Wrangler, this vintage Wrangler Sherpa Western style cropped women's vest. I actually got this for free. So this is very exciting because it sold for $28 plus shipping, obviously, because it's Poshmark. But anyway, I think I made around, what, $22 all profit. All right, these American Eagle khaki shorts sold for $15, and so I made $12. I got these at the bins, so a solid probably $11 profit in these. Somebody probably bought these for their summer job. I sold a bundle of 2 Kate Quinn items. This blue one here my daughter did wear, and this pink one my daughter didn't end up wearing, so I think I paid probably $6 to $8 each for these, and they sold for $38 in a bundle. So I made $28. So I made a profit on something that my child wore and that I bought for personal use that my child wore and didn't wear. So didn't wear, wore. Very happy about that sale. Okay, I sold another one of these Nike Pro Combat little like fitted, you know, workout tank tops in a men's size large. Now, here is my testimony for eBay hates my multi-quantity listings because I haven't sold any of these on eBay. I have 5, and this is my 3rd one to sell on Poshmark, and there's no interest on eBay. So it's like, I feel like it's like I hate multi-quantity listings. They just don't work for me on eBay. But Poshmark, I'm loving it. These are the items that I consistently find and sell that make me a full-time living as a reseller living in Iowa, where, you know, not normally the best things are found. Thank you guys for watching. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one. These are a lot easier for me to film than like straight up what sold in a week videos. So if you enjoy these, thank you, because it's a lot easier on me to edit. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.